दोस्तों हमारे YouTube चैनल में ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम हल करने वाले हैं कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट IPSC नियम, कुछ क्वेश्चंस। CH3 CH CH3 CHOH C CH3 CH3 224 ट्राई मेथिल पेंटन 3 सेकेंड है CH3 C CHOH CH2 CHOH CH2 C2H2 CH2 5 एथिल पेंटेनिल डाइल। थर्ड है CH3 CH3 OH ब्यूटेन 2,3 डाइऑल। HO CH2 CH2 OH ब्राउन 1,2,3 ट्राइल। बेंजीन उस पर OH फिनॉल ग्रुप CH3 2 मेथिल फिनॉल। बेंजीन उस पर CH3 OH 4 मेथिल फिनॉल। बेंजीन उस पर OH CH3 2 5 डाई मेथिल फिनॉल। बेंजीन उस पर OH CH3 6 डाई मेथिल फिनॉल। नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन है CH2O CH3 CH3 1 एथाक्सी 2 मेथिल प्रोपेन। C6H5 RC2H5 फेनॉक्सी इथेन। C6H5O C7H15N 1 फिनॉक्सी हेप्टेन। CH3 CH2O CH3 2 8 हाइड्रोक्सी 2 8 एथॉक्सी ब्यूटेन। Write the structures of the compound whose IPSC name are as follows: 2 methyl butane 2 all CH3 C CH3 CH2 CH3 1 methyl propane 2 all 3 5 dimethyl hexane 1 3 5 trial 2 3 diethyl phenol 1 ethoxy propane 2 ethoxy 3 methyl pentane cyclohexyl methanol 3 cyclohexyl methanol 3 all cyclopent 3 n evanol 3 chromomethyl pent 1 all. Draw the structure of all isomeric alcohols of molecular formula C8H12O and give their name. IPSC name. Classify the isomers of the alcohols in question 11.3 as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Question number 4. Explain why propanol has a high boiling point than that of the hydrocarbon due to hydrogen bonding. 11.5 alcohols are comparatively more soluble in water than hydrocarbon comparable molecular mass. Explain this fact. Dimethyl. What is meant by hydroboration oxidation reaction? Hydrogen bonding. Illustrate it with an example. Give the structure and IPSC name of monohydric phenol that molecular formula C7H8O. While separating a mixture of ortho and paraphenol by stream dictionary, name the isomers which will be steam volatile. Give reason. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Give the equation of reactions for the preparation of phenol from cumene. Write chemical reaction for the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Write the mechanism of oxidation of ethene to yield ethanol. You are given benzene concentrated H2SO4 and NOH. Write the equation for the preparation of phenol using these elements: catalyst sulfonation followed by nucleophilic substitution. So how will you synthesize 1 phenyl ethanol with a suitable alkene? 1 phenyl ethanol with a suitable alkene CH3. Cyclohexyl methanol using an alkyl halide by an SN2. Pentane 1 all using a suitable alkyl halide. Give 2 reactions that show the acidic nature of phenol. Compare acidity of phenol with that of ethanol. Explain why is ortho-nitrophenol more acidic than ortho-methoxyphenol. Electron withdrawing group, electron releasing. Sodium hydroxide. Explain how does the OH group attached to a carbon of benzene ring activate it towards electrophilic substitution. 11.17 give equations of the following reactions. First, oxidation of propane 1 with alkaline KMnO4 solution. Bromine in CH2 and phenol dilute NO3 plus alcohol phenol. Treating phenol with chloroform in the presence of aqueous KONOH. 11.18 explain the following with an example. Kolbe's reaction. Reimer-Tayman reaction, Williamson ether synthesis, unsymmetrical ether 11.90. Write the mechanism of acid dehydration of ethanol to yield ethene. How are the following conversions carried out? Propane to all. Benzyl chloride, benzyl alcohol, nucleic acid. Ethyl magnesium chloride, propane 1 methyl magnesium bromide 2 methyl propane 12. Name the reagent used in the following reaction: oxidation of primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Second, oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. Third, bromination of phenol to 2,4,6 tribromophenols. Fourth, benzyl alcohol to benzoic acid. Fifth, dehydration of propane to all to propene. Sixth, butane to all to 1 to butane to all. Give reason 12. 22. Give reason for the higher boiling point of ethanol in comparison methyl methoxymethane. Give IUPAC name of the following ethers: C2H5O CH2 CH CH3 CH2 CH2 1-ethoxy 2-methyl propane CH3O CH2 CH2 Cl2 chloro methoxy ethane O2N HC6H6O CH3 4 nitroanisole CH3 CH2 CH2O CH3 4 methoxy propane. Fifth, 1-ethoxy cyclohexane CH3 CH2O 3 2H5. 6 benzene O2 OC2H2 H5 H5 ethane benzene. Write the name of the reagents and equations for the preparation of following ether by Williamson synthesis: 1 propoxy propane ethoxy benzene, 2 methoxy methyl propane, 1 methoxy benzene methane. Illustrate with examples the limitation of Williamson synthesis for preparation of certain types of ether. How is 1 propoxy synthesized from propane? Write mechanism of this reaction. Preparation of ethers by acid dehydration of secondary or tertiary alcohol is not a suitable method. Give reason. Write the equation of reaction of hydrogen iodide with propoxy propane to methoxy benzene benzyl ether ethyl ether. Explain the fact that in ethyl alkyl ethers the alkoxy group activates benzene towards electrophilic substitution. Second, it directs incoming substituent to ortho and para positions in benzene. Write the mechanism of the reaction of HI with methoxy methane. Write the equations of the following reaction: Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation of anisole, nitration of anisole, bromination of anisole in ethanoic acid medium. Friedel-Crafts acetylation of anisole. So, how would you synthesize the following alcohol from appropriate alkene? CH2 3OH. On 3-methyl-butane to all is treated with HBr. The following reaction take place: CH3CH CH3 CH3OH HBr CH3CBr CH3 CH2 CH3. धन्यवाद दोस्तों। चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।